So next up in my little series about my Neovim config is fzf-lua. It's a file picker. I decided against using Telescope because fzf-lua for me is just quicker. And from what I read online, many people agree. I grayed out the first part of the file path. So that's this part right here. It makes it look a little more pleasing visually. So these are some key maps for to navigate the search results here. Nothing that special going on here, so I continue. And what I love about fzf-lua is that you got so many options of what exactly to look for. Just let me give you a little overview here. So let's go back up. I do a live grep by pressing this key map here. So let's say we want to look for all the key maps that include the leader key, like this. Okay, everything is there immediately. It's super snappy, it's super quick. And then we want to continue a fuzzy search by pressing Ctrl-G, which you can find right here. Ctrl-G. And let's say we want to find all the key maps that include the leader key and that include diagnostics. So we got this here. And this is super neat, super powerful. So next up is a live grep of the current buffer. So of the buffer I'm in, it's leader FC. And let's just say we want to look for all key maps that include the control key. We do it like this. Really cool as well is to resume the last search. So I mapped it to leader FR and we're right here in the last search. And notice how it happens just immediately. Everything is so quick. I also got a key map here to find for open buffers in the current session. So it's these three, and let's go down here. With Ctrl-X, we can close that buffer. So that's really cool as well. Let's close this one as well. I don't need it. Just this one left. This one is super powerful as well. It grabs the current word the cursor is on. So let's do leader FW. And it looks for the word require in the whole project. So this one is very similar, but it looks for the word you're on, including like the whole thing around it. So let's do leader F shift W. And it's the exact thing I was on right now. And I got it just once in my whole project. Now this one is really cool. It looks for old files. So let's do leader FO. And you see here, those are other projects I was in today. So these are obviously outside of the current project, but I can still find in this project files of other projects I was in today. Over the last few days maybe. Another cool thing about fzf-lua is that I can search through git commits. So let's do leader GC. And I can maybe I want to find all commits that include the word diff view. So it's these ones. So this way I don't even need to leave Neovim. I got it all inside here. I can go through all the git stuff. I can go through the Neovim help tags. Like I can do down here, leader VH. And the last one I got is a key map to go through the Neovim config that I got. So let's go into another project here. This is whatever other project, doesn't matter now. And the key map is leader FIG. So now I can look up stuff. When I'm in another project, I can look up stuff in my Neovim config, like specific key maps here. So that's another really cool feature as well. So overall, I'm super happy with fzf-lua and I highly, highly recommend using it.